Geometry. Topics covered: geometrical concepts, different types of lines, open and closed figures, dot grid, solid shapes. Views: measuring line segment, draw line segment of given length, symmetry, basic geometrical concepts. Point: a small dot made with a sharp object like a pin or a pencil represents a point. A point has no length or breadth. It shows position. A point is generally named with capital letters. Example: P. This represents point P. Line. A set of points that extend endlessly in both directions is called a line. It has no definite length. It can be understood by holding a string of thread tightly between two hands. It represents a line. Example: this is line PQ, where P and Q represent any 2 points on the line. Properties of a line. A line has no fixed endpoints. It has no definite length. It extends indefinitely on both sides. Like MR can be represented as MR. We cannot draw a line on any surface, so we draw arrows on both sides. Line segment. A part of line is called a line segment. It has two endpoints. A line segment has a definite length, and so we draw any line segment on paper. It is generally named by two endpoints. It is generally named by its two endpoints. Example: BC represents as BC. A line ends with two dots, or BC with a line above. Remember, two or more lines or two or more line segments cross each other at one point. This point where two or more line segments meet is known as the point of intersection. Line IQ and OM meet at a point S. Point S is the point of intersection. CD, AB, EF meet at a point M. Point M is the point of intersection. Ray. A part of a line that extends indefinitely in one direction is called a ray. It has a starting point but no ending point. The length of a ray is not fixed, hence it cannot be drawn on a paper. Example: ray OC or ray OC can be denoted like this. Different types of lines. Lines are either straight or curved. You have a vertical line, you have a horizontal line, you have a slanting line, you have a curved line. Open and closed figures. In some figures, the starting and ending points do not meet. They are called open figures. They do not enclose any area. Examples: you can see these. In some figures, the starting and ending points meet. They are known as closed figures. They enclose a specific area. The examples are: all these pictures have closed ends. Dot grid. Dots placed at equal distance on a plane surface form a dot grid. Many different shapes can be made on it by joining the dots. Have you ever seen women drawing rangoli by joining dots in front of their house? Plane shapes. Here are some common shapes that you are familiar with: rectangle, square, triangle, circle. It is possible for you to show these figures on a plain board. As you can draw them on a sheet of paper or a plane surface, they are called plane shapes or plane figures. Rectangle. The figure you see on the right is a rectangle. It has four corners or vertices and four sides. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. The line joining the opposite vertices of a plane shape is called a diagonal. A rectangle has two diagonals. If you measure them, you will observe that the diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. Square. This is a square. It has four sides and four vertices. All the sides of a square are equal. A square also has two diagonals, both of equal length. Quick tip: a square is a rectangle, but a rectangle is not a square. Triangle. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. The sides may or may not be equal. Diamond. This is a diamond. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Circle. A circle is a perfectly round shape like a wheel or button. Look at the third figure above. Will the cow move along a circular path if the rope is tight? The answer is yes. If several stones are placed along the path, will the distance from the stake to each of these points be the same? Obviously, yes. A circle has no sides and no vertices. It has a center. A line segment from the center to a point on the boundary of the circle is called a radius. Point O is the center. OA is the radius. Drawing a circle. Compasses are used to draw circles. The pictures alongside show how to do it. Mark some point to be the center of the circle. Name this point A. Use a ruler to locate a point that is 3 cm from point A in any direction you choose. Call this point B. Put the steel tip of the compass on A. Open or close the compasses so that the pencil tip is on B. Press down on the steel tip and turn the compasses to draw a circle. You have drawn a circle of radius 3 cm. Solid shapes. These are examples of plane surface. These are the example of a curved surface. Look at the following shape. It has 2 plane surfaces and 1 curved surface. No more. Geometry is a Greek word. It has 2 parts. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. Hence, geometry means measuring any shape on the earth. This branch of mathematics deals with measurement of shapes. Description of some solid shapes. Cube. It has 6 plane faces. All the faces are squares of equal size. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cuboid. Cuboid has 6 plane faces. Opposite faces are of the same shape and edge. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cylinder. It has 2 plane faces and 1 curved surface. It has no vertices. It has 2 curved edges. Sphere. A sphere has 1 curved surface. It has no edge or vertices. Cone. It has 1 curved surface and 1 plane surface. It has 1 curved edge and 1 vertex. Hemisphere. Take a tomato, cut it into half. Each half has a shape of a hemisphere. Views. We can see any object from different positions. We can see them with different shapes. Example, look at the different views of the building. This is the front view of the building. And this is the top view of the building. This is a side view of the building. All objects, when seen from different positions, look different. Measuring line segment. We can measure line segment using a scale. A scale has 2 edges. One has marking in centimeters and other in inches. Measure the given line segment PQ. Place scale such that 0 mark of the centimeter scale coincides with point P. The edge should run along segment PQ. Look at the mark on the scale which coincides with point Q. Note its measure. In this case, it coincides with 5 on centimeter scale. Thus, length of the segment PQ is 5 cm. Draw line segment of given length. A line segment can be drawn using the same scale. Draw segment AB of length 7 cm. Step 1. Place scale and hold the scale firmly on a plane surface. Mark point A on 0, reading on centimeter scale. Step 2. Mark another point B at 7 cm. Mark on centimeter scale. Step 3. Join points A and B along scale. Remove the scale. You have drawn a line segment AB of 7 cm length. Symmetry. Look at these figures. The dotted line divides the figures into two identical parts. When the figure is folded about this line, one part of the figure matches with the other part exactly. Such a figure is said to be symmetrical. The line that divides the figure in two identical parts is called the line of symmetry. Values and life skills. You must have seen traffic signals on your way to school. A traffic signal has three colors: red, yellow, and green. The red color tells us to stop. The yellow color tells us to wait. The green color tells us to go. Enrichment. Tangrams. A tangram is a Chinese puzzle consisting of a square cut into 7 shapes: 5 triangles, 1 square, 1 parallelogram. The shapes are called tans, which can be reassembled into an amazing number of different figures. The square can also be cut into 5 pieces: 3 triangles, 1 square, 1 parallelogram. So this is called a 5-piece tangram and a 7-piece tangram. Examples: a house, an animal,